Hello everyone. If you are planning to apply for OCI application in the UK, this video is for you. I will take you through the entire process of OCI application, including the required documents and cost. One of the prerequisite for OCI application is surrender certificate and renunciation certificate. I had already obtained renunciation and surrender certificate prior to my OCI application. I have already made another video detailing the process of surrender and renunciation certificate. I will provide the link in the description box below for you to check it out. You do have the option of applying for OCI with your surrender certificate and the receipt of your renunciation certificate. But I didn't do that for my own application and waited for 2 months to receive my renunciation certificate after application. Please watch this video till the end to know more about the process of OCI application. If this is your first time on my channel, hello, my name is Suman. I'm an Indian doctor, completed my undergraduate and postgraduate training from India and then moved to UK in 2015 for a job in the NHS. For the last 9 years, I have been working in the UK. So I have been going through the process of various visa and passport application, and hopefully this OCI application will be the end of endless visits to VFS center for one application or another. If you are also going through the same process, then please do check out my previous videos on various visa and passport application, both Indian as well as British. If you find these videos helpful, then please do share them with your friends and hit the like button, and please do consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this in the future. Now let's try to understand what is OCI. OCI, or Overseas Citizenship of India, is a card or a document given to non-Indian passport holders which provides you lifelong privilege to enter and live in India. You can continue to own and buy property, maintain your own financial investments, work in private sector jobs, and even start a business in India. There are 3 things which are not allowed for an OCI. Number 1 is to buy agricultural land. Number 2, vote in Indian election. And number 3 is to stand in elections. Apart from this, there are some restrictions in getting a government job in India. So if you have strong reasons to participate in any of these activities, then please do keep hold of your Indian passport and your Indian citizenship. For OCI, you need to complete an online application through the OCI services website. Again, I will provide the link to the website in the description box below. The online form is quite straightforward and will ask you your personal and passport details. After that, you will need to upload your documents and a photo. You can simply use the same 2x2 inch passport size photograph that was used in surrender and renunciation certificate. If you have used Max PLMan for your photo services, then they will provide you with a digital as well as printout copies of your passport photo. Make sure the dimensions of the photograph and the other documents are within the prescribed limits. After completing the application, you will have to upload all the necessary documents. The documents are Indian passport, first and last page scanned copy, naturalization certificate, surrender certificate, renunciation certificate or the receipt if you have that, marriage certificate, British passport, employment letter or a payslip, address proof which will include utility bill or driving license, appointment letter for the VFS appointment. Make sure you have 2 separate copies if you are applying with your family member, let's say your husband or your wife, and the printed copy of the application form. While uploading the documents, you will find certain options under which you will need to upload each of this document. You don't have to worry too much about what option that you are choosing. For example, for my naturalization certificate and surrender certificate, I actually chose the PIO card option. So which option you are choosing is not important, but make sure that you upload a copy of each of this document. Then you will need to book an appointment with the VFS center and submit all these documents. Please remember to carry the original documents with you during the application, including your Indian and British passport, naturalization certificate, surrender certificate, and your marriage certificate. They will also ask you to provide 2 copies of your passport size photograph. I have submitted my application in the 3rd week of July, and I was informed that the processing time for OCI is around 8 to 10 weeks. I will update the actual timeline of my application as well as the receiving of my OCI card in the description box below. Please do check out my description box below to get the actual dates of my application. I hope you will find this video helpful, and this will give you more confidence to proceed with your own OCI application. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Wish you all the best for your OCI application. Thank you for watching.